Guys, MEXC is holding a $10 million event with Ferrari SF90 as their grind prize. Not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of MEXC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And as you can see, there is right in front of you Ferrari giveaway. Share the $10 million prize pool as well. So that is actually what we want to talk about today. All right. Now, guys, MEXC's Win Big Everyday Ferrari Up for Grabs event is a game-changing opportunity for traders like us, which is offering a staggering total prize pool of 10 million USDT. This is not just another trading competition, guys. It's unparalleled chance to win big, showcase your skill, and claim life-changing rewards. My goodness, who wouldn't want a Ferrari, or who wouldn't want a chunk of that $10 million prize pool, right? So the crown jewel of this event, guys, is their Ferrari SF90 Stradale. It is a luxurious sports car that is valued at a whopping $500,000. So this high-performance masterpiece awaits the traders who proves their expertise and secures the top spot in this competition. So winning the Ferrari isn't just about the price. It's a statement of trading excellence and mastery. And imagine this, guys. You already won big. You got a chunk of the prize pool, the $10 million prize pool, plus you get to take home that Ferrari SF90. My goodness, what a way to end 2024. Now, guys, the Ferrari is just the beginning. Now, with daily scratch cards that are offering up to $2,024 and a weekly prize reaching up to 5,000 USDT, MEXC ensures that every participant has multiple chances to win. And this competition's multi-tiered reward system makes every trade an opportunity to claim a slice of that incredible prize pool. Now, this event is going to run from November 17th, 1600 UTC until December 17th, 800 UTC. So this limited time event is your chance to make every trade count, and early registration is essential, guys. Okay, that way you can secure your spot and maximize your winning. So MEXC isn't just about competition, guys. It's the ultimate platform for altcoin discovery. They are boasting the largest selection in coin market cap, and notably, guys, MEXC listed Shiba a month before it got listed to Binance. So giving the early adopters a chance to achieve an incredible 74 million% ROI. Oh my gosh. With the lowest fees, guys, in the industry, MEXC is perfect for futures traders that are looking to save while competing for these extraordinary prizes. Guys, don't let that $10 million USDT prize pool opportunity and the Ferrari SF90 Stradale slip away your fingers. Go ahead and check them out. Do your own research, guys. I hope that you get as much wins and as much profits as you can. Hopefully, you'll be able, you watching this will be the one that will take home that Ferrari SF90 Stradale in the future. And guys, just a quick summary of what we did. We checked out MEXC and specifically the Ferrari giveaway. They have a $10 million prize pool and the coveted Ferrari SF90 Stradale as their prize. Go ahead and check them out. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.